There is hardly anything more stressful than the sound of the police knocking at your door with a search warrant in hand. Therefore, it's critical to understand Indiana search warrant laws and how they apply in light of your constitutional rights. A search warrant is a legal document authorized by a judge or magistrate that allows law enforcement to search a specific location for evidence related to a crime. In Indiana, the warrant must describe the place to be searched and the items to be seized, and it must be supported by probable cause, meaning there is a reasonable belief that evidence of a crime will be found at the location. Search warrants in Indiana are executed by law enforcement officers who must follow the specific instructions listed in the warrant. Warrants must be executed within a set time frame, typically 10 days, and officers must knock, announce their presence, and provide a copy of the warrant. In some cases, a no-knock warrant may be issued if there's a concern for officer safety or the preservation of evidence. In general, officers must only search the locations mentioned in the warrant and seize only the items described. So, what should you do when the police show up at your door? Well, the best advice is to stay calm and know your rights. Remember, you are not obligated to consent to a search if the police do not have a search warrant. And even if they do have a warrant, you have the right to review it and ensure it's valid and specific. If the warrant is defective or the police exceed the scope of the warrant, any evidence they gather could be inadmissible in court. If you believe your rights have been violated during a search, or if you're facing charges based on evidence obtained through a search warrant, contact the Indianapolis criminal defense lawyers at Keffer Hirschauer as soon as possible. Our legal team is here to fight for your rights and ensure that any evidence against you was obtained legally and fairly. Don't face these challenges alone. Take the first step toward protecting your future and contact us today to schedule your free, confidential consultation with a criminal defense attorney.